Oh, this is it. This is it. All right, check this out. This right here is the most dangerous plant in New Zealand, and I'm gonna touch it. The plant I'm looking for is called the stinging tree nettle, and the leaves are covered in hundreds of miniature syringes, and just brushing up against one of them causes the tip to break off, injecting neurotoxic chemicals into your skin. Okay, I found the plant, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't know if I want to touch this thing. Look at the size of the needles on it. They're huge. You see that? Here I go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I think it got me a little bit. I can feel it. Look at that needle right there. Okay, it's definitely hurting a little bit more now. It doesn't hurt. It just really itches. It hurts. It kicked in now. Oh my gosh, it hurts. Look at this. They're like wasp stings. The next day, the marks are gone, but my hand still kind of feels numb. Almost like a numb static feeling covering my arm. Oh, this is it.
Don't try this at home.
Check this out. This right here.